So let's talk about this adjustable desk. There are two different levels and two different heights. As you can see, it does have some wheels that can go ahead and lock. You don't have to use the wheels at all, but you can, and it does make it flexible to move around. When you do build this, which it does take some time, right on top here can be adjusted by these little levels right here. So you can go ahead and loosen this side, and as you can see, you can go up or down. Now the same thing does happen right here on the back, so you do have that flexibility to have them both at the same height, or like how I have it for work, I have the desktop a little higher than this side. Now I'm going to give you a different angle to show you what can happen here. As you can see, this is flat and this is at an angle. You do have a knob that is actually right underneath this, and it does allow you to bend it, so now it can be flat. Now, as you can see, there's another part that is kind of at an angle. So this bottom part is broken into two sections. So this is mostly like for your laptop or if you're doing arts and craft. And this side you can have at an angle, like if you have a mouse or anything like that. The same knob that's on this side, there's a knob on that side that you can go ahead and adjust that. So this desk is super, super flexible. You can have it all at the same height. You can have that side lower than this side. You can have it as an angle. I would say that this side does not have the ability to go at an angle. It's only this side over here. You can see right here it does have a flat platform here. So whether you put in your cables or anything like that, it does have that storage. I would say that this is made out of a good sturdy material. It is long lasting, doesn't get nicks or knacks that easily. I've done arts and crafts on this, work on this, and it is long lasting.